Hi guys, welcome to Colossus Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Alright, this will be our last class on binary operation, and in today's class I'll be explaining inverse element. In my last video I spoke about the identity element. Why? Because the identity is important to this our next topic. So if you have not seen that video, click on the playlist and watch the video on identity element first before watching this video. All right, so in this particular video we'll be talking about the inverse element, and to find inverse element the formula is what? The formula is A star A inverse equal to A inverse star A star equal to what? E. I get what I'm saying? Equal to what? E. That means you need identity first before finding inverse. Without identity you cannot get inverse. And don't forget, I told you under addition that the inverse of addition is subtraction. The inverse of multiplication is division. That means the inverse of A is minus A. The inverse of A under addition is minus A, while the inverse of A under multiplication is what? 1 over A. And that's what you are going to notice in this our example 1 and example 2. All right, so let's begin. Our example 1 says A star what? A star B equal to what now? Equal to A plus B. Now don't forget, you need identity first. So what is our identity? That's A star E equal to what? A. So that will be what? A star, I don't need to do all those things again. Yes, we already did this in our previous video. So we have A plus E equal to what? A. Are you seeing that? That will be E equal to what? A minus A, and that means our identity here is what? Is 0. Abi? So if our identity is 0, then let's get our inverse now. What's our formula? Our formula is what? A star what? A star A inverse equal to what? E. Are you seeing that? A star A inverse is equal to what? E. So what would that be? This will be A, this will be A inverse now. I see. So that will be what? A plus what? A inverse equal to what now? E. I get what I'm saying. And what's your E? Your E is 0 that you got here. So that's A plus A inverse equal to what? 0. Make A inverse with a formula. That means A inverse will be equal to what? 0 minus what? A. You know, if you bring this one to this side, that's what we have. So that means our A inverse will be what? Minus A. You can see that I already told you that the inverse of A under addition is what? Minus A. Can you see that? It's a very simple one. You see that now? So let's go to the second example. The second example says A star B equal to what? A B. Are you seeing? Now you need to do the identity first. So the identity will be what? A star E equal to what? A. And that means that we have A E equal to what now? A. Divide what by what? A. Divide what by what? A. That means our E here is equal to what? 1, because this cancel this. This cancel this. So our A here is what? Our E is what? 1. Are you seeing that? So now let's get the inverse. The inverse is what? A star what? A star A inverse equal to what? E. That means this will become A, this will become A inverse. So that will be what? A inverse equal to what? E. And what's your E? 1. So that means that we have A inverse equal to what? 1. divide both sides by what now? A, because you are making A inverse the subject of formula. So A, this cancel this. You can see that your A inverse is equal to what? 1 over A. And you can see that that is exactly the same thing I told you under inverse, that the inverse under addition is negative, the inverse under multiplication is what? 1 over. Are you getting what I'm saying? So the inverse of 3 under addition is minus 3. The inverse of 3 under multiplication is 1 over 3. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Alright, so the last example here, we have the question says x star y is equals to what? 2x plus 2y minus 3 all over 2. You want to find the inverse elements. For you to do the inverse first, you need to find the identity first. And what's your identity? Your identity is what? A star E equal to what? A. I see. So that will be what? 2A plus 2E minus 3 all over 2 equal to what? A. I'm sure you know what I'm doing there. I just change x to A, y to what? E. Are you seeing that? So that will be cross multiply. You have 2A plus what? 2A plus 2E minus 3 equal to what? 2A. If you bring this 2A to the other side, you are going to have 2E minus 3 equal to what? 2A minus 2A. You know, plus will cross and turn to minus. So this should be what? 2E minus 3 equal to what? 0. 2E equal to what? 3. Then E will be what? 3 over 2. If you divide both sides by what? By E. Are you seeing that now? So we've gotten our identity as what? As 3 over 2. Now let's do our inverse. What's our inverse? A star what? A star A inverse equal to what? E. So anywhere I see x now, I'll put what? A. Anywhere I see y, I'll put A inverse. So that means I'll now have 2A plus 2A inverse minus 3 all over what? 2 equal to what? E. And what's our E here? Our E is 3 over 2. So that means I will have 2A plus 2A inverse minus 3 all over what? 2 equal to what? 3 over 2. Are you seeing that? Equal to 3 over 2. Now in mathematics, once you have equal to and their denominator are the same, they will cancel each other. Once their denominator are the same, so that means if I have something like A over C equal to B over C, it means A is equal to what? B. Are you seeing why? Because if you cross multiply, you will have AC equal to what? BC, and C will cancel C like this. Are you seeing that A is equal to what now? B. Sure you get. So that's why we said in mathematics they will just cancel out. All right, so that is that. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. All right, so let's finish our question. This will now give us 2A plus what? 2A inverse minus 3 equal to what now? 3. Are you seeing that now? Then what will I have? I will have 2A plus 2A inverse equal to what now? 3 plus 3. And that will give us what? 2A plus 2A inverse equal to what? 6. Then don't forget that you are making A inverse the subject of formula. So this will become what? 2A inverse equal to what? 6. If you take this one to this side, I get what I'm saying, it will become what? Minus 2A. And then that means I'll divide through by what? By 2. So if you divide through by 2, or you can also say that this is 2A inverse. What's common between this place? 2 is common. It will remain what? 3 minus what? A. Are you seeing that now? Then you divide through by 2. By 2. 2 cancel 2. 2 cancel 2. That means A inverse is equal to what? 3 minus A. So that is the inverse of this example. Are you seeing that now? That's the inverse of this example. So let me give you assignment. Let me give you assignment so that you can also see how this thing is being done. All right, don't forget how we started the formula. You need to get your identity first before getting your inverse. Without getting your identity, you will not be able to get your what? Your inverse. I get what I'm saying now. Without getting your identity, you will not be able to get your inverse. All right, so the first assignment, do for x operation y equal to 9xy. Yes, find the what's it called? Find the inverse element. Find the inverse element. Then also for a star b equal to what? AB over. So do for no, let's not say AB. Let me just give you the same thing I gave before, like 3a plus b, 3a plus b over 5 minus 1. Find the inverse element. I get something. Then the last one, P star Q equals to what? 2p minus 1 over 2 plus q. Yes, find the inverse element. So for students from God's Love School, submit to the right authority and I'll mark everything. All right, so for others, you can make your comments in the comment section, and if there are any topic you want me to do, please feel free to reach out. For online class, private online class, feel free to reach out and I'll be there to serve you better. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. All right.